guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'm back again with another behind the scene kind of unplanned type of a video. And I did this video because some people actually mentioned that they were very skeptical from buying things on one day only deals. That's an online store that you actually get notifications on items that have a price that will last for that 24 hours. So I decided to buy something just to show you guys and to assure you that it's safe. I understand most of you are skeptical when it comes to putting your credentials online and on some untrusted site, but I can assure you that one day only it can be trusted. You can trust it. I bought this order I placed it on Monday, and then this afternoon it was delivered. So Monday, today, it's more like what, 4 days plus minus somewhere there. So let's jump into it without any waste of time. So bear in mind that I'm taking this video from the iPhone XR at 4K 30 frames per second, and this is the this knife. Don't tell anybody. So without any waste of time, let's open this. So these are just two items that I decided to buy, and both of them are for home use. Let's see what we have in here. So you can see the package comes in a big box. So the first item that we have in here is in a black box. So this is beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. Can you see this? Can you see what I'm seeing? This is beautiful. So what we have in here, this is a color changing LED ice bucket. You know, now I'm talking real stuff, guys. This is not tech. This is romance. So this ice bucket, it's a changing LED, and then it is a built-in Bluetooth speaker. So basically, while you got your champagne being chilled on the bucket, you can be listening to some jams. So yeah, so let's go ahead and open it. Let's see what's inside, how it looks like. I'm not sure if we'll get enough time to test it, but let's hope for the best. I don't want to mess this packaging. But still going to take it home. So let's see. So inside the box, this is how they protect it, and it's not that heavy. Just want to assure you that it's not that heavy, and there's actually nothing else that's holding it except from the cushion at the bottom. Oh, nice. So this is white in color, but like I said, it's gonna change color when you actually plug it and switch it on. So have a look at this, guys. Look at this bucket. Maybe we should have brought in a champagne to actually test this, see how it works and stuff. But basically, this part lights up, and then you can actually put in the ice, the real ice. It has a light here in between, and then at the bottom here, there's a speaker that basically helps you when you want to play and listen to music or having some cool jams. It is a Bluetooth that you can connect to your phone. And then something else that you find in the package is the charger. So basically, you plug this on the wall, and then you have a power plug on the other hand. It's USB. On the other side, it's like a DC charger cable, and then it also comes in with a remote, so you can actually control the lights. Look at this, man. So it comes in with a remote, which will help you to switch it on and off, and then also to change to different color modes, as well as to reduce and increase the brightness. You can pause your music, increase and reduce the volume. You can jump to the next track, and you can also change the different color modes. So what else do we find in the box? I think the last thing that we have is this is just like a paperwork, more of like warranty as well as user manual guide. So from where I am, I don't actually have I don't have a tune plug to test this, but I think we'll look into this in a bit. So the next item that we have here, which is the last one, another crazy thing that I've noticed with one day only, they tend to give you big boxes to package their product. I don't know why. So this is what we call it, a mosquito killer. You know, sounds like a gangster name. It's a mosquito killer. So this is the light that actually kills the mosquitoes. So basically what has been happening in my area, we are having like it's raining, and we're starting to have like dams around and stuff and all those kind of things. I actually like to leave my windows open. That's how I like them. But then what happens is the mosquito comes in. So without having to use any what do you call this, pesticides, sprays, doom, whatever you use. So you can have this, and then when you switch this on, it will take out an insect that will kill the mosquitoes without having to cause you sinuses or blockage and all those kind of things, that type of a thing. So this is what we call a Junbo photocatalysis. This sounds like a I think, what if there's weed inside? This is insane. The way they call it, photocatalysis sanction type mosquito killer. Wow. And then what they said on the side here, they said it has a light wave trapping. So basically, I think it uses some sort of a trapping mechanism to actually kill the mosquitoes, and also vortex technology. So the vortex technology looks like, or seems to be, something that will repel the mosquito, or pushes them away, or sort of like a smell. And then it has a prevent escape. I don't want that, what that means. And then it has in the what we call quiet comfort. So I haven't read much about this product, so I don't know much about it. I'm just seeing it for the first time, like you guys, apart from seeing it from the side. So it's called USB Mosquito Killer. The physical way of killing mosquito is safe and comfortable. So let's open it. I'm opening it from the top. And guys, know that this is light in weight. It's very, very light. So this is the package. And this is a USB. USB, and that's it. Oh, so okay, so basically it is a fan inside. When you actually switch it on, it will have the lights here on top, and then there will be like spiral things coming out and all those things. I don't know, I'll tell you after I've tested it. So this works on the USB. I think you can plug this on your computer, and then you can also, okay, the computer that I have doesn't have the thing, doesn't have a USB-A. This is a normal USB-A, and I use USB Type-C or Thunderbolt connection. So let's see if we can get to test this. So I just managed to get the multi-plug so that I can plug and test this and see how it works. So in the process of me looking for a multi-plug, I actually got to find out that, so this is how it works. So let me plug it in and then demonstrate it for you. Okay, and then switch it on. So you can see the light turns blue. So basically what happens is this light has a scent that actually attracts mosquitoes. When the mosquito gets attracted to the light and comes in here, that fan will suck them in, and then they'll get trapped down here in the bottom. I'm not sure if I can be able to open it while it's working, but basically this is where the mosquitoes will be trapped, and then they won't be able to escape like they said on the specification. So pretty much that's something that comes in handy. Somebody's trying to be innovative, so you get to attract insect, and then this thing sucks them in and then kills them. So yeah, I think this is something beautiful. I wish this LED light can change, but it's okay. I love the blue lights, which not the cops though, the blue lights. So this is great, guys. So just give me time to go and experience this, and then I'll get to tell you guys how it works and all those kind of things. I'm not sure if I have to invite mosquitoes to come so that I can test, but we'll see how it actually unfolds. So let's jump to this guy. So I'm gonna switch this off. So this guy has apparently got some juice. So at the bottom here, the speaker, Bluetooth, power, and then the LED light. So just got to switch it on. There you go. And then the light is changing. So let's say now you want it to be on, yeah, you just want it to be on one color. Then you'll have the red color that you want. I think you can press again to change the color. Let's find the blue. Okay, this is the blue. So basically we just press to change the color, or you can use, where is the control? You can use this guy, which is the remote. Okay, so remote activated. So let's see, blue, it's on blue, green. How does it work? Oh, there you go. It's working. Red, blue, green. What's this? This is purple, blue, okay. Orange, pinkish. This is the nice color. Let's see. So now let's turn it off, and it goes off on, and then Okay, the moment you turn it on, the speaker start up, and then it will go into this mode where it changes color, and then I think you can actually switch off the light while it's actually on, so which means the speaker remains on but the light is off, and then you can bring back the light, you can start flashing again. And then let's get to see if it's this brightness or color. Let's see. Okay, it doesn't actually do anything. Oh, it's for changing from one color to the other. All right, so let's get to test how the sound is like. Can I use your phone, please? No, it's fine. I'm gonna use this one. So, Bluetooth. Let's see. When I turn into the Bluetooth mode, and then what's the name of the device? Is it the Gladiator? I'm seeing two things here. Okay, it's the IMB 001. Hello. Whoa, that was fast. It did the connection and also sync the contact. Hello? Okay. What do we have here? Let's find in some NCS. That's some crazy sound there that we can play. Let's see. Sorry, that was an ad. Okay. So you can see the light changes as the music plays. So this thing is actually fully synchronized. So I don't know if you guys want to see this. Can you see that going hand in hand with this? So the way the music waves are playing, the same way that you're getting the light response from this. So I don't know what you guys think, but this is one of the best products you can find out there in the market. So guys, that has been it with my experience with one day only deals and how they deliver, how reliable they are. I can really vouch for them. I've never been disappointed. Well, I'm a resist taker, so it comes into the price. So this one here, the bucket ice is what? Bucket ice? Ice bucket? Ice bucket. Ice bucket is like 360 bucks, 360 rand, and then the Mosquito Killer, it's 170 bucks. So this is close my plus minus 500 and something in total. So yeah, basically I got this on bargain because the price way for that one day only. So if you're interested in buying something else, give them a try. I can buy for you if you want. And yeah, that's pretty much about this video, guys. I will definitely see you on the next video. Subscribe if you haven't, like, drop a comment, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.